What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in a Chevy key fob. So this remote key fob is going to take replacement battery CR2450. And the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the smart key. That's done by pressing this button here, and that'll allow the key to slide out like that. Then if we hold the fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom, you can see this notch right here. What we want to do is stick the key in that notch, and then we're just going to pry up like that. So stick the key in that notch and then pry up, and it'll pop the back up just a little bit, and go ahead and pull that off there. And now we see our battery right here. We'll grab our key again, and using one of these two notches, you can kind of get under the edge of it like that. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up, like that. Snap our battery on, and we'll kind of start the top on first like this, and then just snap it on. Put our emergency key back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.